Let's set up your party tent. Now that you have your tent approximately where you want it, open it up, take out the canopy top, and set it off to the side. Pull your tent apart from side to side and get it as wide as you can. Loosely put the tarp over the tent. Grab your Velcro corners and attach them snug. Then, from inside of the tent, we're going to take our Velcro straps, loop it all the way around the bottom rung, and attach them on the opposite side. From opposite ends, work back and forth, pulling your corners and pushing up on the bar until you hear the click. Then elevate your tent to the desired height. And don't forget to stake your tent in, using the provided stakes in the black bag. And there you have it. Your tent is ready to go for your party. Just remember, refer to the manufacturer instructions for setup. This is for demonstration purposes only. Have fun.